Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Today I come with another most important topic. What is the difference between chi-square and F distribution? You know that all of the distributions are interrelated to each other and mostly MCQs comes in relation with or in context of the relationship with one distribution to another distribution. And the most important distribution in point of view of relationship are the T, F, Z and chi distribution. So pay uh, deep attention on these four distributions. Now my concern topic is difference between chi-square and F distribution. One thing you must keep in mind that this is statistical distribution. There are four or three types of statistical distributions. These are T distribution, chi-square distribution, F distribution, and most important the Z distribution. Right? So chi-square distribution and the F distributions comes in the category of statistical distribution. As I previously told in my lecture that distributions are of three types: discrete, continuous, and statistical distributions. First of all, I am here with chi-square distribution. I didn't mention the PDF of chi-square distribution, didn't mention the mean, median, and mode of the chi-square distribution because you can easily find all of these from computer or internet or from books. I am here with the relationship between the chi-square and the F distribution. So chi-square distribution arises in test of hypothesis concerning the independence of two random variables. As I already told you that it is a statistical distribution, obviously comes from the statistical data or based on the random samples. So chi-square distributions arises in test of hypothesis concerning the independence of two random variables and concerning whether a discrete random variables follow a specified distribution. It is used to check the independence of two random variables. The most important thing is used to check the independence of two random variables and concerning whether a discrete random variables follows a specified distribution or not. So you must keep in mind it is used to check the independence of two random variables and distributions follows a random variable follows a specified distribution or not. Now come for F distribution. The F distribution arises in test of hypothesis concerning whether or not the two population variances are equal. So, chi-square distribution is used to check the independence of two random variables, whereas F distribution is used to check the whether two or population means variances are equal or not, and whether or not three or more population means are equal. For comparing two population mean, we use t test or a z test, but when we have more than two population, we use ANOVA in analysis of a variance table, and in ANOVA we use F test. So F distribution is used to check the equality of two variances of the and the whether or not the three population means are equal or not. Relationship between F and chi-square distribution. F is the ratio of two chi-square. F distribution is the ratio of a two chi distribution, each divided by its degree of freedom. When we divide two chi-square distributions to its degree of freedom, then we get what is called a F distribution. A chi-square divided by its degree of freedom is a variance estimate that is a sum of square divided by degree of freedom. And F is equal to T square. And when we square T distribution, then we get F, right? So there are three cases. First is F distribution is the ratio of the two chi-square distribution divided by its degree of freedom. Number second is F is equal to D square, and when a chi-square is divided by its degree of freedom is a variance estimate. That is a sum of a square divided by its degree of freedom. Now come for the test of chi-square. You have a lot of tests for chi-square. Chi-square test of independence. I already told you that chi-square distribution is used to check the independence of two random variables. Chi-square one sample goodness of fit test. You know that in one sample goodness of fit test are going to test whether a specific random variable follows a specified distribution or not. Chi-square is used to test the validity of hypothetical ratios. Chi-square is used to check the homogeneity of several population variances. Homogeneity. Chi-square is used to check the equality of several population correlation coefficients. So these type of questions for check the population correlation coefficients, we can use chi-square, which for homogeneity of several population variances we use chi-square. For test the hypothetical ratios we use chi-square distribution. For goodness of fit we use chi-square distribution, and for test of independence we use chi-square distribution. And tests for F distributions are the ANOVA and the equality of two variances, as I already told you that. So this is the main and basic differences between F distribution and the chi-square distribution. Try to learn these type of questions which are important. I didn't write PDF or a mean and a variance because you can easily get it from internet. Thank you so much.